Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my ExpressVPN coupon code, ExpressVPN discount code, and ExpressVPN promo code video. So, as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the best ExpressVPN coupon code and deal, or deals, whatever you guys want to call it, in today's video. And all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the description, and that link down below will get you the best ExpressVPN coupon codes and discount codes regardless of when you're watching this video. So we even just want to emphasize that for you so you can take advantage of these deals when they do come. But as you can see right here on screen, we have two tabs open, and the reason for this is because I'm going to be showing you the price difference between the one on the right, which is going to be the original and standard like homepage of ExpressVPN, right? And then we're going to compare that to the page on the left right here, which is going to be the discount link. So if we click on Get ExpressVPN and we click the green buttons for both of these pages right here, you'll see there's quite a bit of a price difference, right? So on the right hand side, you have like the standard price right here, or like the standard discount if you want to call it that, where you save 35%, and you basically get ExpressVPN for $8.32 per month, right? It's not a bad deal, it's okay, but if you compare that to the one on the left, again, you can activate the discount on the left right here by clicking the top link down below in the video description. Once you go ahead and do that, you'll see that you can actually, get a 49% off discount. So not a 35% off discount, but a massive 49% discount. And as you can see, you only pay $6.67 per month. Plus, it also includes 3 months for free, so you get like 3 months of extra like service with this ExpressVPN deal that you can find down below. And yeah, I mean, look at this discount. They can compare the prices right here, and this is the exact method that allowed me to get ExpressVPN right here for a massive discount. So I wanted to share this video with you today so you can do the same thing for yourself. Both of these, ExpressVPN deals. I mean, ExpressVPN is backed by the 30-day money-back guarantee, which you can take advantage of right here. And you can enter your email. You can select your preferred payment method right here. So one thing I like about ExpressVPN is that they do accept Bitcoin as well, so PayPal, credit card, and other different payment methods, but they accept Bitcoin, which is a big thing for privacy. Now, there's a couple of things I wanted to go over in today's video as well, so keep on watching because there's a lot more I wanted to discuss before you do decide to activate this discount, and some important things you need to keep in mind as well. So if we go back over here, and if we just make this full screen, as you can see right here, again, to activate this ExpressVPN coupon code where you get a 49% off discount, all you have to do is simply click the top link down below, what I did right here, and this is what it looks like inside of ExpressVPN right here. So as you can see, we are basically able to like choose from various notifications like right here. So we'll go over that in just a moment as well actually, but as you can see right here, take charge of your online experience with ExpressVPN's exclusive 15-month plan. Get 12 months of unlimited access to high-speed, ultra-secure VPN servers, plus an extra 3 months. So basically, you get extra 3 months totally free with this special deal, right? That ends up being like a 49% discount off the regular monthly price. No other website has a lower offer for ExpressVPN. So basically, you can click below for your exclusive deal right here. This is literally like the best ExpressVPN deals and coupons like discount you can get. Again, 49% off discount. As you can see about ExpressVPN discounts, and we'll go over some other important stuff as well, like the VPN locations actually. So that's another thing I wanted to discuss within today's video as well, which we'll go over in just a moment. So some like the locations and stuff and what you get, and plus some other information as well. So keep on watching. But as you can see, with ExpressVPN's discounts, ExpressVPN offers the best VPN deals and discounts possible while still maintaining the highest VPN service quality in the industry. So you don't need like vouchers or promo codes to get these savings. Just follow the link above. So pretty much basically just click the top link down below in the video description to claim your discount, which is pretty cool. And you'll come to this exact page where you can go ahead and activate the deal. Now, the page in the future, like ExpressVPN does sometimes change the like homepage and like the look of the website. So, but basically you want to make sure that you click the top link down below, and that will take you to the most up-to-date deal, and that will get you the best deal possible whenever you're watching this video. So if there's like a newer discount or even better discount than this, then you can be sure that I'll update the video description for your convenience so you can get that even bigger discount for yourself. But as we've shown you just before, like 49% off discount in comparison to 35% off, 49% off is really, really good, right? So if we go over here, ExpressVPN is the world's leading VPN provider with high speed, ultra secure service across 94 countries and counting. Best of all, each VPN subscription comes with a hassle-free 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want high-quality VPN service and like saving money, you've come to the right place. So yeah, basically I wanted to quickly go over that as well with you. And if we go over here to VPN server locations, you'll see that there's 3,000 plus VPN servers in 160 VPN server locations in 94 countries. So you can see a full list of VPN server locations right here in the different countries available for some locations. So it basically gives us a lot of information down below right here. And as you can see right here, you'll see that there's plenty of different countries and locations. So if we go over here to India, for an example, you can see that we can connect to a few locations right here. And I'm pretty sure, there's a lot more we can do as well. I'm just going over this really briefly. In fact, let's go over here to the Americans. So if we go over here to United States, you'll see that we can connect to multiple different states right here inside of the United States: New York, Chicago, Miami, New Jersey, all that type of stuff as well. And we can do this for Canada, and there's plenty of other countries we can connect to as well. So if you want to use like ExpressVPN to connect to a certain location, maybe you want to like use that to connect to maybe a streaming service that's only available in a certain location, or maybe you want to watch a TV show. There's lots of reasons why, or ways you can use a VPN, but yeah, this is what you can do right here. So VPN also VPN speed test as well, which is really good when it comes to ExpressVPN. So how to use a VPN speed test for fast downloads. So basically, in other words, you can use ExpressVPN speed test to find the fastest servers in ExpressVPN's network, so you can enjoy really high speeds for your downloading or for your uploading or whatever you want to basically use ExpressVPN for, right? And you can also use ExpressVPN on multiple devices: Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, router, Apple TV, Fire TV, other smart TV systems as well, even PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, smart home devices. And you can use it for browser extensions including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and there's basically you can pretty much use ExpressVPN on a variety of different devices. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video for you today, going over the ExpressVPN deals coupon and the ExpressVPN discount code as well. Again, simply to activate this discount, all you have to do is simply click the top link down below in the video description. That's basically it, really. As you can see, like we went over in today's video, do this. You'll see, if we click on claim exclusive deal, that if you click the top link down below, you get a 49% off discount, and you pay like a lot less per month. And you compare that to the starting link, which is the homepage link on ExpressVPN, where you only get a 35% discount and pay a lot more per month. So discount link will be down below. I hope you found value in today's video. I hope you enjoy your discount, most importantly, and save a bunch of money with ExpressVPN. Enjoy the same discount that I got for ExpressVPN myself. And yeah, thanks for watching today's ExpressVPN coupon code, ExpressVPN discount code, and ExpressVPN promo code video. Cheers.